What is up, YouTube? Today, I'm just riding around, just going for a short little ride with Brisbane, my dog. And, yeah, that's basically it. And, yeah, kick this guy. I got the new 3-inch risers from Warp 9. New 3-inch Warp 9 risers. I do like them. I also have the Warp 9 stem. I have like a big rise. I have the Warp 9 stem with the spacer, so that's also like an inch. So like I have like a 4-inch rise right now. And like right here, I got titanium, 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 and then stainless steel. So yeah. Go on, Brisbane. But these bars are super good. These grips do not not a fan. The arm pump goes crazy. Normally, the arm pump isn't even that bad, but with these grips, it's bad. It is bad. These grips do make your arms too much power. And a rock right there. Ugh. Asher would be riding right now with me, but he's like looped out on asphalt for the first time. He looped out because like he had so much play in his rear brake that he like hit the rear brake, but nothing happened just because he has so much play in it, and then his back is all like ripped up, and his shirt and his pants, and everything is all kind of torn up. Yeah, like the arm pump is like crazy right now. I don't know. I think it's just because of the width of them, just because they are bigger. I used to have ODI waffles, and I mean, I would never have arm pump, never. I think it's because these are, oh shit, you know, saw that. These are just so much thicker and bigger grips that I think that's why. But fix this stuff. Before I had it, yeah, can you hear my horn? Sounds like a clown horn. Pretty funny. But screen, horn, TRPs. I got the regen throttle right here, so save my brake pads. So I got my head down. Go find her. Go find my dog. But yeah, that regen throttle, mine's at like 45%. And I don't even need, I mean, I won't even use my brakes. I don't. It'll just be regen. And I'll be just fine. I can turn it up to like 90%, and the rear tire will like lock immediately, no matter like how fast I'm going, really. 100% it would lock at like any speed. So crazy. But I am running an OEM battery, so the regen isn't very good for that. But definitely useful. Save your brake pads. I mean, you can go to a complete stop. Like every stop sign I go to, every sign I go to, stoplight, whatever, I just use the regen instead of braking. Saves my pads, which saves $60 because I get the Galfer brake pads. They're really, really good. They last a while. They're really thick too. So, Brisbane, come on this one. Come here. Brizzy. There we go. There she comes. But got the AirPods in on the GoPro 12. I like that so much. I can just Bluetooth in. If I really wanted to, I could run with the mic set up on it and then hook up the microphone up to it. But I was listening to the audio and it doesn't even really sound that bad for the Bluetooth and stuff. But yeah, I don't know why, but I do feel like more confident on my bike and stuff with the risers. The arm pump might be because of the risers too, but I'm pretty sure it's because of the grips. And I guarantee you it's because of the grips. Because I've rode in the risers before on my friend's bike and the same exact risers, same color and everything. Name's Andrew. He will do a video with us. He's fun. Not the brightest. You'll understand when you see him in a video. But he is special. From Philly. Now he lives here. So, kind of crazy. The track is not even like, no one's been working on it. It's kind of crazy. I thought someone would work on it. I might work on it. Ugh. But yeah, Asher just looped out, trying to look cool. And then, yeah, now his back is all messed up. I would show you a photo, but you can see it. Yeah, it's nasty. You got it. You don't even want to see it, to be honest. Then we're gonna go to this trail right over here, and then we'll go over to the soccer field and go have some fun on that while Brisbane runs around. And then I'm gonna go to Chipotle, and then after that, I'm gonna go over to. I've never been on that trail. This is the first time on this one. I usually go that way, but I hope this isn't very short. No, it's good. It looks pretty good. A little rocky right there. There's Brisbane. We're good to go. Running the 1916 Warp 9 rims. I'm running the Texas T35 tires. Really awesome tire for the dirt and stuff, but they do wear out really fast because I do some street riding and stuff. That's sick. Never done this trail before. I never even knew it was here. Secret trail. It looks like it gets quite a bit of traffic because there's not very many like plants or anything on it. Kind of surprising to me. But pretty cool trail. Would be fun on a mountain bike, but yeah. Me and Ash would probably get some mountain biking videos. Have that out, which is pretty awesome. So there shouldn't be a problem with that. Because we go to Deer Valley and ride, and that's always fun. Yeah, the arm pump is crazy. Oh, it's almost like I want to change my grips already. kind of want to order a pair. Just get some ODI waffles again. Those are some good grips. I like those a lot. Little rock garden. Not big at all, but yeah, dude, I gotta get new grips. Trying to clean it. Trying not to put a foot down. Yeah, this is way more fun than the other trail. Glad I found it. Yeah, I mean, I couldn't even notice it from right here. Wouldn't notice it at all. There is some people at the school, so that's a no-go. Couple people over there. Might get a mountain bike little clip today, because that bike park right there, really, really fun. Do enjoy riding it. So probably go over there today around 4 or 5. So that will be fun. Do not want to ride on the road. Ain't trying to ride on the road, so I'll go down here. Turn around, probably go, I don't know, I'll probably go back up that trail. Charge my battery for a little bit. Probably go to the gym. Come back to Trailside Bike Park. I'll go up that trail. I've never been up it. Trying to get to the end of this though. That's pretty far. Fake flower. I thought it was real. Drive like your kids live here. Good thing I'm turning around. I'd be wheeling all over the place. What you doing, Busy? Come on. I wonder what's up this trail. Finding 2 new trails today. Never knew it here. I wonder if this one's gonna be fun. Should be pretty fun. Wait for Brisbane. She's with us. Brizzy is with us. So yeah, you guys. I don't know. I don't know how. I mean, I don't think their brakes are too great because both of my friends have had problems with it. I mean, my friend had 7 miles on his bike. He had really like 6, but so yeah, brand new bike, first ride, broke his brakes, and Asher, his brakes on the E-Ride, like they're like they suck. They're not good. I mean, he can like pull them back all the way to the bars, and he put new brake pads in like 2 weeks ago, roughly 2 weeks ago, and he hasn't really been riding crazy that much. So I don't know why they'd be out, but yeah, I don't think this trail is gonna be. Maybe I don't know. We'll stick to it. So. Nah, this is going their opposite direction. I need to go up, not down. One thing I like about this controller so much is the reverse mode. Because like this, I would normally be like walking my bike to try and get up it. Plop her in reverse. Be as lazy as possible. That's important though. Alright, let's go, Rizzy. Just come on over here. And I'm gonna take the trail that looks boring. Like I wanna go back, but kind of far from it. I'll go back to that one trail. It was pretty fun. Dude, these grips, I don't know, they gotta go. I mean, arm pump is crazy. I mean, like on the hill climbs, where I'm just going super fast and on like tech trails, but like everything else, they're cool. With the arm pump, just crazy. Crazy as an arm pump. Not good for that. Like at all. Alright. Like this. Gotta be careful. No one's coming around that corner. Blind as a bat. I don't get. I wonder if bats are like. Or no, they are actually blind. But like, I just thought of like sweating like a pig. And it's like, I don't get it because pigs, like, they don't sweat. So, I don't get that, like, at all. So. Alright, we're back. Is it recording? Yep, it is recording. Pretty good. I wonder if the angle is pretty mint or not. Yeah. Did do a bolt check on the stem just to make sure everything was nice and tight before I went on this ride. Yeah. And I'm gonna go visit Asher earlier, so I'll probably record the street ride on over there. So that'll be cool. I'll probably go to the gym, then go there, because, yeah. This house is like, way the hell over there. I mean, it's like as far as you can really get right there. Yeah, I never knew this trail was there till today. But it is a pretty fun trail. Gotta wait for the dog, and we'll be good to go. There she is. There she is. Ready, Briss? Ready? Come on. She is an awesome dog. I mean, she is a trail puppy. She does follow. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. That was pretty damn steep. I hope the GoPro got it. But I would have thought I would have been pushing my bike up. Not because of a skill issue, because of a tire tread issue. I mean, once I get off of this trail, show you guys the tread, and the tread is a kind of horrendous right now. I mean, that's crazy bad. The sides of the tire is fine, but the middle of it is pretty bad. So these bikes are so easy on the. Oh, what the fuck! Ugh! Whacked my pedal and it didn't kick back. The spring didn't do its job. Here, I'm gonna just. There she is. Good to go. Good to go. But the trail is pretty fun. I do like it. But yeah, back to what I was saying about the Talaria, the Surons and E-Rides. The Suron Ultra B, I think is stupid because it weighs as much as a dirt bike, but I mean, you could always upgrade the Suron Ultra B to be as fast as a dirt bike, but never. Or it depends on the size of the dirt bike tank, but like most dirt bikes can go so much farther than these things. But they do make a 72 volt 50 amp hour battery, chai battery. It's a 50 amp hour, 72 volt. And it fits in the stock case. So that is awesome. I mean, Charge Cycle Works, they're awesome. That's like where I buy all my parts from. I got like everything on my bike besides grit shift is from them actually. I mean, the stem's from them. Oh, the stem lock I bought straight from Warp 9. I didn't buy from them, but stem I bought from them. Handlebars, I didn't buy the grips, but I bought the EBMX 9000 from them. Brakes. These titanium bolts are crazy. I mean, they're not crazy, but you know what I'm saying, because they're like $75 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, right? And I stripped this one right here. You can tell it's not titanium. I stripped the titanium bolt, and then I broke the bolt because there's only one bolt, and I was bringing it to a shop in Moab, and it just like hit. The bolt broke. Not fun. So that's why all the other ones are titanium besides that one. So it is what it is. Rather have the titanium, like missing one titanium than no titanium on it. So that's part of, I mean, just stronger, better titanium. You know, titanium. How much better can it get? So after all that, $75 for the titanium bolts. I was looking at Warp 9 to buy it from them, straight from Warp 9. They don't even like have like the bolts on their website. It's just like Charge Cycle Works is the first person. I was like the only person I could find that were selling these bolts, and I was just kind of amazed at it because I couldn't believe it. Horse shit. Where I live, all these trails are horse trails. They're not mountain bike. They're not dirt bike. They're not like anything. They're horse trails. There is so many horses that live in my area. It is nuts. One of my, like, I have a friend, and we live in a really rich area. If you know, you know. You know of a really rich area in Utah that's in the mountains in a ski town. You know that, like, I mean, look, those houses are probably like, not to be political, but middle class. That house is fucking huge. That house is fucking huge. My house is a little bit bigger than average, but for this town, it's average. But compared to like California or Philly, I live in like a mansion. But those houses all like on that hill are huge, 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 huge houses. That's the school. Could you imagine if that was a house? Holy shit. It'd be huge. But over that hill, those are like some of the biggest houses in Park City. And he has a horse. I was talking about the horseback riding a minute ago. And this horse costs like $1 million in a horse bid. I mean, I know for like, I've seen like some videos of like horses going for like 30, 40 million, 12 million, you know, all that crap. But like $1 million on a horse is just crazy to me. Like I can never. I mean, they're awesome creatures, they're awesome, but $1 million is just, for me, it's just crazy. And those houses up there, that's like some of the craziest houses. So, and then there's we have some pretty huge houses in Park City. If you ever been to Park City, you know that Ski Town is now a huge town. There's probably 20,000 people in this town, and I'm one of them, and no one likes me because of this bike I'm on. So I don't really give two shits. So I like this bike more than them. Ugh. But there is some really cool people in this town, and there's also some really people that I don't like. But it is what it is. That's in every state, every city. But that house, I mean, I don't know if you guys are watching, but like that house, like right here, that's like an average Park City house. I mean, like an average house in Park City looks like that. So, yeah, kind of crazy.